Well, a bit of service work today because my the baby version of the GSB 18 volt drill, this one here is slipping on the clutch because this won't engage back into the second speed anymore. First speed is okay, but it won't pull back into second. So I'm just going to strip this one down today and see what's wrong with that. So I've got the fine torques on the end for the screws, but they are a little bit unique, whereas they've got this flat point in there as well. So undone all the screws here and made a little screwdriver just to fit down in the grooves for the long reach ones. I've left them all in place, and basically it's just a lot of dirt in there. A lot of dirt in the edges here, a lot of dirt in the slider for the speed select, and then on here you can see that right up there. That is where a load of muck is built up behind the slider, and now it's not allowing me to select the second speed. So I'm just going to get the airline and blow all that out, clean it up. Same with this side, and it might not be necessary to remove the whole housing. Just have a look here. Yeah, best left in place if it can be, and then I'll blow out all the dirt and then put it back together. So I've used the airline and blown most of it out, but this is the culprit right here on this groove. And it's really jammed in there, look. And if it's the same on this side, it's most definitely going to be the same on the other side, isn't it? So I will probably have to take the whole armature out to clean that out. So that's that cleaned out, and then I'll have to do the other side, I think. So you can just, probably can't with the light, but you can just see down in that groove, so actually it's okay. So everything was just this side. Clean out this groove here as well. And then this area here had a load of stuff in, so I've cleaned that out. Blow it out again with the airline and we'll be good to put back together. So fully assembled back together now, all the screws done up. And we're now fully selected in gear 2. Nice definite click as it selects the click into the appropriate speed. Job done.